If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Chart styles in Excel let you quickly and easily apply a themed style to your chart and its elements. To apply or change a chart style, select a chart or one of its chart elements. Then roll your mouse pointer over the chart styles within the Chart Styles button group on the Chart Design Contextual tab in the ribbon to preview how each style would appear within the selected chart. Then click the style choice you prefer to apply it to the selected chart. Another way to change your chart style is to click or tap the Chart Styles button at the right side of the selected chart. In the side menu that appears, click or tap the Style command if needed to view the scrollable listing of chart styles. Then tap or click the chart style within the scrollable list to apply to the selected chart. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.